Indirect or inverse proportion is a relation between two quantities where an increase in one leads to a decrease in the other and vice versa. So we'll be looking at 4 different variations of inverse proportion. We'll look at the linear version, quadratic version, cubic, and other inverse proportion. Y is indirectly proportional to x. When y equals 8, x equals 2. Write y in terms of x. Work out the value of y when x equals 10. And see, work out the value of x when y equals 4. So for, mind you, inverse and direct are the same. So for inverse proportion, this is the notation. Because it's inverse, so it's the division rule. So y is equal to k divided by x. In notation is y alpha 1 over x. So we start with the proportionality equation. Then always use the first 2 initial values, substitute, work out the k, because this is called implicit equation. So you replace the values, and to work out for k, we multiply both sides by 2, and these 2 will cancel out, so we have k equals 16. So replace k with 16 to make the function or the equation explicit. So the true equation for this inverse question is y is equal to 16 divided by x, and that's what you will use to work out b and c. So to work out b, it means that if x is 10, what is y? You substitute 10 in place of x, so y will be equal to 16 over 10, which is the same as 1.6. To work out c, still remember the formula, y equals 16 over x, and it says if y is 4, what will x be? That's what this is all about. Replace y with 4, so you're going to have 4 equals 16 over x, and in solving for x, multiply both sides by x, so you're going to have 4, x equals 16, and you divide through by 4, so x will be 16 over 4, which equals 4. Now it's indirect, means one goes up, the other goes down. Let's check. Y is 8 and x is 2 initially, and let's see what happens to one of the examples. X is 10, that means x has gone up. What happened to y? Y has gone down. So that's what you call indirect proportion. If you check the change and work it proportionally, they will be equal. It's called indirect proportion. Example 2, quadratic inverse proportion.